What if I told you one of these paddleboards is so stable, you could do yoga on it in choppy waves? Today we're revealing the top 5 stand-up paddleboards of 2025, and some of these prices will blow your mind. We tested for stability, durability, and portability to find boards perfect for beginners to experts. The number 1 pick might change how you paddle forever. All purchase links in description. Number 1. Bote Breeze Aero Classic Inflatable Paddleboard 10.6. Our Florida-born tester and avid paddler confirms this home-based brand produces quality boards for flat water, ocean, and canal paddling, and our testing proved so. The Bote Breeze Aero Classic Paddleboard, $699, is no exception. Aero refers to Bote's lineup of inflatables, and the Breeze Classic is a middle-of-the-pack size with great versatility and an economic price compared to most of our favorite SUP designs. Or, if you're looking for a beefed-up and similar model, check out the Bote HD Aero, which displaces 11.6 and can float 315 pounds. You'll see an uptick in the board's weight and price, but the fin configuration remains the same. Meanwhile, the longer 11'6" Breeze Aero likewise has a 315-pound capacity but weighs 8 pounds less than the HD Aero. Number 2. iRocker Blackfin Model V 12.6. We've paddled on and tested the iRocker Blackfin Model V, $900, now for several years running. This Blackfin is a stellar, all-around touring SUP. It's got triple-layer PVC, carbon rails, and reinforced seams. The board is 12.6, 32 wide, and can carry up to a whopping 485-pound weight limit. This is where it shines above other 12.6 boards. It can carry a heck of a lot of weight and is streamlined enough that advanced paddlers will enjoy it. The shape is made for speed and to cover distance on tours, just as much as those who have only been paddling for a few seasons. Because of its shape and tapering at the tail, along with the center fin and twin fin setup, this board excels in offering speed and good tracking in the water, even in windy or choppy conditions. While we wouldn't recommend this board for beginners, it does offer stellar stability. Rather, if you're just getting started, grab a slightly shorter design like the Bote Breeze Aero Classic Paddleboard, which is more maneuverable all around and a hair wider. Number 3. Boardworks SHUBU Solr. With a moderately spearheaded nose and one removable fin, the Boardworks SHUBU Solr, $500, tracks really well in the water. On a few day trips to SUP some high-altitude mountain lakes, with conditions varying from glassy to choppy waves, we noticed this design managed the range of conditions well. This board is a great choice for water yogis and shoe-free paddlers. The deck pad is covered in a layer dubbed honey foam, which looks like honeycomb and feels like a thick, therapeutic yoga mat. A whopping 3/4 of the board is topped with this cushion, which makes standing, sitting, kneeling, or practicing Warrior 2 pose that much more comfortable. Number 4. Badfish SUP Flyweight. At only 18 pounds, the Badfish SUP Flyweight, $899, is among the lightest designs out there. A new addition to the brand's lineup, the Flyweight is streamlined, easy to charge, easy to lift, and easy to inflate. We found the inflated board remains stable when wakes move across smooth water, and the pointed nose helps drive the SUP forward. We didn't think the weight would make much of a difference, but we definitely noticed that lifting up this nimble SUP and carrying it to the water's edge was faster and easier compared to heavier models. While hand pumping the SUP, we also noticed the job didn't seem to take as long, perhaps because the volume we aimed to fill was a bit lower. Deflating doesn't take long, either. The board folds up with ease and maintains a compact shape for transport. Number 5. Bote HD Aero Inflatable Paddleboard. At a length of 11.6, the Bote HD Aero, $999, paddleboard is an inflatable version, in the brand's Aero lineup, of the rigid 12-foot HD Gators Hell model, a shape that's made for speed, stability and advanced paddlers. The rigid iteration is the brand's most popular board, given it's so versatile. The build includes Bote's aftermarket fishing rack attachment points for your tackle and bucket. But this inflatable SUP rings in at $800 less and can carry the same amount of weight but is 15 pounds lighter. Compared to the lightweight Breeze Aero, our budget pick that's $300 less, the HD Aero can handle another 65 pounds and weighs an additional 10 pounds, but it's also compatible with the boat rack system. We took the higher-end HD Aero out for several spring paddle excursions in central and western Colorado, which was a great application with bungee cord systems on both the nose and tail. So which of these SUPs has your name on it? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped you find your perfect board, do us a huge favor, smash that like button, share with your paddle crew, and subscribe because we've got more epic water gear reviews coming your way. All purchase links are in the description below. See you on the water.